Hey guys, how's it going? I'm the Happy Mad Scientist, and this video is going to be a little bit different than normal. First off, before I get started on any kind of rant here, I know a lot of YouTubers say that they keep politics out of their channels, and that I guess can be for good reasons. This channel won't revolve around politics. It's a science channel. In fact, I think that science has a lot to do with politics, but politics should never be anywhere near science. Otherwise you get biased, very biased, and obviously biased studies when you mix politics with science. I won't let this influence... The cricket's really making himself known there. I will not let this influence any science experiments because that is bad science, as I'm sure you well know. And yeah, so I've seen the videos of people burning their shoes. And you know, I honestly felt like burning my shoes, but you know, I don't have a ton of money. So instead of burning my Nike shoes, which are like $80, and these pair, I figured I'd just buy like a $3 roll of duct tape with the American flag on it, and I'd put that, like cut it out, and put that over the swoosh, just to say that I don't support Nike. And I would otherwise burn these. Well, I wouldn't be wearing them anymore. I'd get Adidas shoes. So enough of that. Right now I'm going to show you how to do this. And I mean, you could figure it out yourself probably, but I had a few ideas that would make it easier to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the copier. I'm going to put my shoe in the copier, and what I'm hoping is a exact scale of, which it probably should be since it's a photocopier, but it should come out, and then I can put this duct tape on like a piece of wax paper or aluminum foil or like a clean piece of wood, and cut it out, like trace it out with like a X-Acto knife or whatever, and then I can carefully put it onto the Nike symbol. If you really want to send your message across, you could just, you know, cover the whole Nike symbol up. I mean, the problem I would have with that is it's gonna fall off and look pretty nasty. This will look pretty cool, and if you get some of the blue and some of the red and white, you'll be able to tell that these are worn by a non-social justice warrior, probably cop respecting person. But yeah. This darn thing stopped recording. No, GoPro stop recording. So here's the photocopier. Hopefully it has paper in it. I shouldn't be looking at that. Yep, there it is. Hopefully I don't have to do a different left and right version. Okie dokie. So here we are. I have a paper plate here, and it has a nice glossy, non-stick, I would assume, surface on it. And I'm gonna just pull out the tape until I get one that I'm going to be able to put on the swoosh and see the blue and the red stripes. I'm just going to put that on the plate there, like so. Cut that off. That was not big enough for the big one, so I'll do the little one first. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and trace out the general kind of edges of the Nike swoosh. Pop that out, and let's see, where do I want to line that up with? I'll get another little piece, 2 pieces of duct tape here. And I will take these 2 little pieces of duct tape here and carefully put it down on a spot that I think is going to be good. About right there. That looks like a good orientation. And at this point, I'm just going to carefully trace the Nike swoosh out. Okay, so now I got that cut out. And I believe, yes, it did transfer to the duct tape. With any luck, it should all pull right off of there without any trouble. Just kind of cut away like you're skinning an animal, if you've ever done that. Just carefully slice as you pull. Alright, there we go. Nike symbol, you can see the flag and some of the stripes. That is going right here. It's like putting one of those screen protectors on your phone. Very delicate process. Go ahead, make sure it's pressed down. I recommend if you can put some heat to it without, burning your shoe, which is what you're trying to avoid. You can, oops, there we go. Just put a little bit of heat on that. This burns butane. It burns pretty hot, so just a lick is all I need. Just enough to warm that up to where the glue really wants to stick. Yeah, it gets it nice and hot. Now this glue will really stick from now on. Yep, that does not feel like it's gonna come off. It's on there pretty solid. And that should do quite well. Now all we have to do is the big one on this side and the other shoe. Alrighty, she's all done. They look like they were bought that way almost. These should last pretty long, since when you heat them up, the glue just really adheres to whatever it's, glue on the duct tape really adheres to whatever it's sticking to. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully if you found it useful, maybe now you don't have to burn your Nike shoes, or maybe you can feel that you can buy Nikes and still support your country at the same time. Like this video whether or not you liked it, unless it ruined your day. Subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos, not like this one. In fact, these videos are probably going to be pretty rare, and if they're popular, I'll just, start a new channel. But, yeah, I will see you in the next video, hopefully pretty soon, because I am busy, and probably around after Thanksgiving, I will be able to produce more videos. But yeah, I just cannot wrap this video up tonight, so, see you later.